Hello and welcome to Diya's Funplay. In today's video, let's see what's a thermal power plant and how it works. A thermal power plant or a thermal power station is a type of a power station which converts heat energy into electrical energy. A thermal power plant generally uses heat from burning fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, or oil to heat water and generate steam. This steam is then passed into a turbine section at a very high pressure. This high pressure steam rotates the turbines, which in turn generates electricity. I have made a very simple and an easy model to demonstrate a working thermal power plant and the process involved to generate electricity. As you see in my model, I have shown a river as a water source for the thermal power plant. A thermal power plant in general needs a lot of water to generate steam. It is for this reason a thermal power plant will be always located near a large water body. The water source can either be a river or a lake or a pond or any other water body. Now let's see how the power plant works. As you see, water is sent into the boiler section from this point. This water is made to pass through a series of tubes inside the boiler section where these tubes are heated to generate steam. Heating can be done using any fossil fuel. I have used coal in my model. Coal is fed into the boiler for generating heat. This heat heats up the water in the tubes and generates steam. This steam is then injected at a very high pressure into the turbine section. As you see, this high pressure steam hits the turbine blades and rotates them. After rotating the turbine, this steam is sent into a cooling tower. Most of the steam condenses into water and the remaining steam escapes into the atmosphere. The condensed steam, which is water, is then redirected into the same river through this pipeline as shown. These rotating turbines generate electricity, which is stored in the power storage section. From here, stored electricity is supplied to industrial and domestic purpose through a series of power grids.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.